How to appear offline on Facebook. So we need to do this in two applications. First one is Facebook and the second one is Messenger. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you're in the home page, tap on the menu icon, which is the three lines here on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Among these additional settings, click on Settings. Now click on the Profile Settings, and under the Privacy group is the Active Status. Make sure to turn this toggle off. After this, exit and then open the Messenger application. Click on the profile icon here on the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Active Status. Turn this off as well, and take note that once you turn this off, you will appear offline on Facebook and you will not be able to see the status of your friends as well. After turning that off, you should now appear offline on Facebook. So that is how to appear offline on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.